Ever wondered about the pros and cons of no-code SaaS development? Let's unpack that tech jargon. No-code SaaS development is a way to create software applications without the need to write a single line of code. Think of it as a Lego set for software development, where you click together the pieces and voila, you have a functional app. It's like magic, but it's not. It's just really smart technology. The popularity of this method has been skyrocketing. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the pros and cons of no-code SaaS development. So, what makes no-code SaaS development a buzzword in the tech world? Well, let's dive right in. One of the key benefits of no-code SaaS development is the speed and efficiency it brings to the table. You see, without the need for extensive coding knowledge, development becomes a breeze. It's like going from assembling a jigsaw puzzle with tweezers to just clicking pieces together with your hands. This allows projects to be rolled out faster, responding swiftly to market demand or user needs. On top of this, no-code SaaS development can be a real penny saver. With no need for a team of experienced coders, costs can be significantly reduced. It's like swapping out a gourmet chef for a high-tech kitchen gadget. You're still getting a delicious meal, just without the hefty price tag. But the goodness doesn't stop there. No-code SaaS development also brings easier maintenance and updates. Think of it like a self-cleaning oven. You no longer have to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty with code to keep things running smoothly. Lastly, let's not forget about accessibility. No-code SaaS development opens up the tech world to non-technical folks. It's like someone finally handed you the keys to that fancy sports car you've been eyeing but couldn't drive because you didn't know how to handle a manual transmission. As you can see, no-code SaaS development has some compelling advantages, but like everything in life, it's not all roses. Now let's flip the coin and look at the potential downsides of no-code SaaS development. While no-code platforms seem like a dream come true, they're not without their limitations. One of the most glaring drawbacks is a lack of customization and flexibility. You're essentially playing with a set of pre-designed blocks. If you're trying to create a unique, standout application, this could be a stumbling block. You might find yourself trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, leading to compromises on the final product. Next up, security and scalability. While no-code platforms are designed to be user-friendly, they can potentially leave gaps in security. Without a dedicated developer overseeing the process, you might inadvertently expose your data or your users' data. On the scalability front, as your business grows, you might find these platforms aren't equipped to handle the increase in data volume or user traffic. Lastly, there's the risk of dependency on external platforms. With no code, you're putting a lot of trust in third-party platforms. If they go down, so does your application. Or if they decide to hike their prices, you're left in a bind. As with any technology, it's essential to weigh these potential downsides against the benefits. It's all about finding the right balance for your business and the specific needs of your project. Remember, no one solution fits all scenarios, so make a wise choice. So, is no-code SaaS development right for your startup? Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We've explored the many advantages of no-code SaaS development: the speed of deployment, the cost-effectiveness, and the ease of use. Truly, it's like having a Swiss Army knife at your disposal. You can whip up an application in no time without having to understand the intricacies of coding. It's like baking a cake with a ready mix. Just add water, stir, and voila, you have your app. But as with everything in life, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We've also dived into the potential drawbacks: the limitations in customization, the dependency on the platform provider, and the possible scalability issues as your startup grows. It's like having a beautiful bird, but in a gilded cage. It can sing, it can dance, but it can't fly beyond the bars. The crux of the matter is this: the decision to use no-code SaaS development, like any other, depends on your startup's unique needs and resources. It's about weighing the pros and cons and making an informed decision. It's about finding the right fit, the perfect balance between efficiency, cost, and control. Remember, the best technology is the one that works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tech discussions.